Hey gang, Jason here for the Love of Tractors, and I'm super excited and very privileged to be able to share with you some brand new items from our good friends at B&B Farmtoys and Greenlight Toys. So, you might know B&B Farmtoys, Barry and Brian, some of the nicest guys in this toy industry. They are working hard to bring us new stuff from Greenlight and from other places. That we don't have in the toy world, and they've done an awesome job so far. And this is the next series of items coming from them. These trucks are awesome. Now, first, I think the coolest thing, and I'm sure you guys agree, is so we've got the square body, we've got a gooseneck, and then we've got another square body on the gooseneck that is in kind of like primer condition. How cool is that? So, I'm really excited about these. Big thanks to B&B for sending me over these prototypes so that I can show you guys. Now, if you want some of these, head over to B&B Farmtoys website. I'll put that down in the description, and they'll have all that sort of thing over there for you to pre-order, order, whatever. So, first and foremost, I'm going to check out one of these trucks. I guess we can just kind of pick one. You can see we've got the cool brown and cream scheme with the really neat orange pinstriping there. Maybe a red pinstripe. My eyes are a little maybe off. Then I'm just going to go ahead and grab this fella here. We've got the red one with a cool silver stripe coming right down the side. And then we've got the black with silver down the side. So really cool. Now while I've got the black here in my hand, I'm just going to move this back. So of course all of these come with the Greenlight gooseneck thing. Well, I actually was talking to somebody and they didn't realize this. They thought these would move around, but these actually snap in like so between your fenders. And you can turn them upside down. You can do whatever you want there. And that way they don't come off and you can actually pull your trailer with them. So I'm going to use this black one, for example, because I don't know, black is super cool, right? Check out these wheels and tires. So they're kind of beefy for one, but I love this deep dish look on these. These are awesome. Can't wait to get my hands on some of these. That is so cool. Then, of course, the striping down the side looks very good. And then you've got like kind of this detail silver striping around the window here. Also looks very good. You can see we've got the not for sale on the window there. These are, like I said, these are prototypes, guys. So that's super cool. Check that out. Grill looks great. If I can get it to focus, I apologize for that. Let me just a little poke there. There we go. Boom. Super crisp grill. Looks awesome. You can see the bumper with the bumper bars on there. Those look nice. I like that. Quad headlights, of course. Moving around side. Look at the side marker on that. That really shows up really well. And that's really cool. Also, you can see the lock, which is neat, and the door handle on there. Both of those, great detail. That shows up excellent. And then moving around to the back side, nice looking turn signal and slash brake light here. And then the bumper, of course, looks great. Bumper's kind of got some plating, diamond plating on it. I don't know how well that's going to show up here on my camera. There it goes. Yeah, cool. Looks really good. Nice little details like that make such a huge difference. And then, of course, you get the Greenlight ball hitch, which is awesome because it's, realistic looking. That's one thing Greenlight did such a fantastic job on. I mean, it's probably odd to be talking about how great a ball hitch looks on a truck, but I think it's cool. Here's the underside. Not a whole lot of detail under there. You kind of get the typical 64 scale die cast treatment there. But all in all, what a great truck this is. And of course the goosenecks, I think we've kind of covered those before, so I won't go over those again. Now check out these. So your project truck here, right? First off, the stance is awesome on these, by the way. And then check out, so we get a different set of wheels here. Super chrome wheels, look awesome. And not the deep dish that we saw on the other. So that's really cool. And then, of course, you've got primer gray and Bondo all over this thing, which just looks really neat, doesn't it? what a cool set to have on your model farm or your shelf or whatever it's going to be. Just because, you know, how many times have you seen like a setup where you've got a truck pulling, you know, a project car, project truck, whatever, going through your town on a gooseneck, and now we can recreate that really easily straight from Greenlight here. I love it. I think the Bondo detail here is just super cool, or rust, or whatever the heck we're calling that. I guess it probably is rust, but I don't know. This thing is just neat. I just love it. When Brian first showed me these, which I guess would have been around the time of the Lafayette show, maybe before the Lafayette show, we went over to see Brian and Barry, and I don't know. I just thought this was one of the coolest ideas ever. So anyway, I'm just gonna put that back on the trailer. So basically the same situation. I mean, these trucks are, you know, basically going to be identical. I don't know. This thing is just, this is cool. This is neat, and I hope you guys like it. I think you will. It's just so cool. Anyway, I'm gonna kind of get these saddled back up here, and like I said, that just snaps right in. Boy, that red is sharp, isn't it? I mean, look at that. That is a good looking truck right there, guys. I just absolutely love that thing. Cool thing is you can get the red in the grill. You know, where the black is just the full-on chrome. So, I don't know. Super cool. Like I said, the goosenecks are neat. I've showed you guys those before. You know, the gooseneck raises and lowers, your ramps raise and lower. It's got lots of nice little details on it. You're more than welcome to go check out that video if you want to see more on those. So I hope you guys like this video. Hope you like the trucks. Again, thank you to Brian and Barry for sending these over, for giving me a chance to kind of do a first look on these. Really appreciate that. That's always awesome. And check out their website, guys. It's in the description down below. Anyway, as always, guys, have yourselves a great day. Happy tractor hunting.